Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 7th, and this is my analysis for the pound and yen. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpcollector.com. So, anyways, the pound yen made a huge dump down the last couple of days of last week because of the tariff news. Now, if we get a break of structure to the upside, I would become a buyer again. But we have to be cautious because even if it does go up, if it doesn't break a significant structure level, then it very easily could just be a correction, and it very easily could just keep on going down. Now, if we go into the daily time frame, it's still very, very sideways. I mean, it still looks like three waves up, and this whole price action from then on is not impulsive. It's very corrective, very sideways, which makes me think that at some point it probably is still going to end up going up and making a wave B. And we are sitting at the 61%, and we definitely got this area being respected many times in the past. So it is an area where we possibly could turn back up very significantly. But going down to the shorter time frames, like I said, if it just makes a little three-way pattern up, makes a lower high, makes a lower high, the trend is year fed and the trend is down, so keep going short. On the other hand, if it does go up, if it does give us a nice break of structure, then I would start looking for zigzag pullbacks, especially on even a shorter time frame than this, in order to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. So either way, definitely make sure you pay attention to your structure because that's what's going to keep you trading in the right direction. And definitely pay attention to your higher time frame for your main direction for these pairs. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.